Good evening, students. We have started this conservation of plants and animals chapter. Okay, you have learned about the plants and animals, that different types of plants and animals are present in our surrounding. Okay, now in this chapter, what we have to learn, that how we have to conserve, or how we will conserve this plant and animals. ठीक है, conservation of plants and animals. So you have learnt that that different types of plants and animals and microorganisms, they are present in different region, like in forest, like in desert, like in grassland, etc. Okay, so what is this presence of animals in a particular region is called, okay, it is called biodiversity. What is biodiversity? Bio means living and diversity means in a diverse manner, large amount, diverse. Okay, so what is biodiversity? The wide variety of plants and animals along with microorganisms living in a particular region is called biodiversity. ठीक है? Examples: forest, desert, grassland, rainforest, etc. Here you can see the pictures also. Picture it is given of biodiversity in a forest. Then in next picture, biodiversity in desert. So this is what biodiversity, where wide variety of plants, animals, microorganisms lives in a particular region, that is called biodiversity. Okay, now next in this chapter, now we will learn that what are the causes of the loss of biodiversity, then what are the steps has taken to conserve biodiversity in different region. Okay, but before we will learn this about biodiversity loss and the conservation, we will learn about these terms, that is the species, ecosystem, habitat. A species, what are these species? A species refers to a group of organisms that have common characteristics and can interbreed among themselves. Okay, what are these species? It is a group. Species are the group of organism, either it is plants or animals, that have common characteristics. Means species of particular plants, animals, they have common characteristics in each of them, and they have capability, they can interbreed among themselves. Interbreed means for their future generation. Breeding you have learnt in class 7th. Okay, interbreed, so that the species of that particular plant and animals again increase, that is interbreed. For example, homo sapiens, that is human beings, it is a type of animal species. Then next is ecosystem. What is ecosystem? An ecosystem is made up of plant, animals, microorganisms in an area, along with non-living components such as climate, soil, water, etc. Okay, means that a particular area in which the relation of biotic or abiotic component. Living things are biotic component. There are two components, that is biotic or abiotic. So living things, they come in the category of biotic component, and non-living, they comes in the category of abiotic component. So relation up in a particular area, the relationship of biotic component or abiotic component is called ecosystem. Okay, so ecosystem is made up of all plants, animals, microorganisms in an area along with the non-living components such as climate, soil, water, etc. Okay, examples of ecosystems are forest, desert, mountain, river, etc. Okay, the next is what? Habitat. Habitat is a natural environment of plant or animal species where they live and reproduces. It is called their habitat. So what is habitat? The natural environment of plant or animal species where it lives and reproduces is called habitat. Next, importance of biodiversity. So species, ecosystem, habitat, there were the some terms which we have to learn. Okay, now next is importance of biodiversity, that how biodiversity is important for us. Biodiversity is having wide variety of plants and animals which lives in their natural habitat and depend on each other. Okay, each and every component of biodiversity, from microorganism to huge animal like elephants, they play an important role in nature. Okay, in other words, each and every living organisms are important, or each and every living organisms are interdependent. They are economically dependent. Okay, we are economically dependent on biodiversity. We get variety of food items like cereals, fruits, vegetables. We get cloth items like cotton, jute, etc. We get wood, medicines, oil from different plants, or we get food like meat, egg, leather from the skin of dead animals, and milk from animals. So these are the importance of biodiversity. Next, we will learn causes of loss of biodiversity. What are the causes of loss of biodiversity? Biodiversity is very important for us. Okay, so some of the major causes are deforestation, illegal hunting, pollution, natural disasters, etc. There are many causes of the loss of biodiversity. Now first we will learn about the deforestation. Deforestation is what? It is the clearing of forest over a wide area is called deforestation. What is deforestation? The clearing of forest by cutting down the forest trees over wide area is called deforestation. Why deforestation take place? There are many reasons for building homes, factories, roads, dams, for the increasing human population. Okay, then for getting wood as a fuel, for making furniture and paper, for getting more agricultural land and for cultivation of crops, for the growing population, for mining of minerals such as coal, petroleum. So these are the human made causes. These are the human made causes. There are some natural causes also, like deforestation, like forest fires, severe droughts, attack of insects and pests, overgrazing by cattle, sheep, horses, etc. So these are the natural causes. So there are human made causes also, and natural causes also. Now this is what the reasons that why deforestation occur. Now we will learn that what are the consequences of deforestation, means what are the results of deforestation. It causes soil erosion and makes the soil infertile. Soil erosion is what? Removal of top layer of the soil. When there is a removal of top layer of the soil, then the lower and hard rocky layers will expose, and they have less humus and less fertile. So slowly they will convert into desert, and this process is called desertification. Next consequences are what? Trees like carbon dioxide, they give out oxygen during photosynthesis. So deforestation increases the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide may lead to an increase in global temperature. In a previous chapter, I have told you about the CO2. Okay, that is CO2 is not a poisonous gas, but if CO2, if the excess amount of CO2 will release, then it will cause global warming. So here, when the forests are cut, when the deforestation occur, it increase the level of carbon dioxide in atmosphere, which leads to global warming. And global warming disturbs the water cycle, reduces rainfall, results in droughts, and causes melting of glaciers. So these are the consequences. Next consequences are what? It will decrease the water holding capacity of soil. Okay, it will decrease the water holding capacity of soil. Next, forest, as we know that forests are the natural habitats of many species of animals. So cutting down the trees destroys the homes, which results in the threat to their survival. Example, a giant panda, they live only on bamboo shoots, and in the past few decades, more than half of the bamboo forest, which are the natural habitat of panda, have been cleared for farming and in the name of development. So another consequences are what? Nutrient content properties. The soil of properties like nutrient content and texture, they will also change because of the deforestation. So this is what we have learned about the deforestation and its consequences. In next video we will learn about the illegal hunting, pollution, natural disasters, and rest of the topics. Go through this video. Any doubt, you can clear your doubts. Thank you.